How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, and I try to catch precise tops and bottoms in the stock market. And today I want to talk about ticker MULN, ticker Muln. It's one of the most popular penny stocks, and it gets a lot of attention. I just want to share exactly what levels to buy at, what levels to look at, where to consider selling, and all that good stuff. So going to the chart, you always want to look at daily. Higher time frames, the better. So when you're looking at the daily chart, you're going to see this massive drawdown right here, and it just keeps going and going. And you don't want to get caught into all of this and just buying random zones. So let me discuss what zones we're talking about. So you have a sell zone, which is the red line, green zone, which is the blue, and your buy zone, which is your green, and then your blue line is your EMA 20, and that magnets to your price always. The price has to always go back to your EMA 20. That's just a promise. It will. We just don't know when, because as you can see, look at this massive drawdown before it actually did. It hits it right here, and then goes all the way back, and then it finally hits it. So what you want to do is best risk versus reward is to buy it when a candle clearly with your eye, you can see it penetrates this. So when it does, you can right here swing trade it and buy and sell it for a nice 16%, or if you get the high, probably 30%. So as you can see, the price clearly breaks, it has to refresh and it goes up. The price breaks again, has to refresh, and it goes up. And so that's what you can see with this Muln chart. It gets close, and then this is the real move right here. Almost, it was like 100% right here. From 89 to, yeah, it was way over 100. But yeah, this is when the price wants to reset. It wants to get to the blue band. So, yeah, here it is. And then it just kind of like been stagnates. It touches the blue again. And then when it touches the blue, it either wants to sell off like this, or it wants to go up to the red band. So it hits the blue and it just sells off. And it gets close to your green and it pumps it up again. And then it goes to the EMA 20. And then it's now we're at a price like, you're like, where the heck are we going to go? So we're near the EMA 20, your blue band. And we actually have a triple bottom right here, which is really nice. Pretty close to you can get right here. Of course, it's going to go a little lower, but this is a pretty close triple bottom. If it breaks, we clearly can see to the green band. If not, we're going to resume and try to hit this EMA 20 or possibly the red band. We just don't know, guys. But with this strategy, you want to get the best alerts and you don't want to bag hold that long at all. Like if you got here, you sell it. You want to sell it right when you see a clear distance above the bottom, because then you know what you could do is sell the majority and then scale in if it goes bound down again. But you do know when it's starting to hit these bottom bands, that price is gonna explode up here. This is the best way. Instead of saying, okay, we hit this, I'm gonna buy this big dip down, this dip down, this. As you can see, when you're buying random zones, you have no idea where the price is gonna go. With this strategy, I know price wants to hit the EMA 20. We know it's going to hit it, and we know that the big buyers are down here at the bottom band. Because, and usually, as you can recall, actually, I remember right here when it was near the bottom band, they did a press release that made this thing go drastically up. It's something about short sellers and all that investigating. Usually, you're going to see press releases at the bottom because CEOs have a trick up their sleeve. They want to get the short sellers off guard, because when you say all this shorting, the one for sure buyer you have is short sellers. They got to buy back their shares. So what happens? They buy back all their shares, and you create this massive green candles right here. Massive up moves. And then the shorts get confident because they know probably the EMA 20 strat, and they know it's weak, and then they sell it off again. Massive buyers, shorts recover, and then all this. So basically, yes, this is the strat. Join the free Discord. I tell you all this because we have a Discord. You can join for free. No monthly subscriptions, no gimmicks. Not trying to sell anything. This is to help you as a trader to be disciplined, to know what zones to buy, and all that. We have trade alerts where you actually can see what trades I like the best. I do the brunt work. I look at the charts, and I have some more stuff I can't talk about because there's so much. Because right here, I want you to watch the setup video once you get in, and you can get exactly the indicators on your chart. exactly how I have it. Because the Keltner channels, I have a specific settings that make them that wide, and you know, specific settings. And this video right here will show you how to do that. But yeah, this is a awesome reversal strategy. I've been doing it for months. Yet to lose on it, if that tells you something, because these are really good signals where you're buying at really good zones, and we know what happens. I've been studying it a lot. We just know the ins and out of this strat. Yeah, so this is reversal trading. If you like reversals, if you don't like buying these random zones that are like saying it's down 19, I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy it when it's close to the green band. And that's really what you want to like. It's just another tool to put in your toolkit. And like I said, it's a free Discord. Feel free to join, nothing to lose. Give a like on this YouTube. Actually, yeah, for the Discord, I will put the link into the description of my YouTube and in the chat of my YouTube. So you can always find that. And then give a like and subscribe on my YouTube to help the algorithm. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the technical analysis.